Good morning, children. Hope all of you are keeping safe. Now, let's start our new section of our online class in maths. Before that, let's recollect some more the basic ideas in maths. Okay, are you ready? Listen. First one, write the international number names for the given numerals. Okay, here already gave some numerals. Numerals means numbers. So we should write the number names. Okay, so A 35,786. How we will write 35,786. The spelling we should write. Understand? Same as it is B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Then second one, write the Roman numerals for each of the following Hindu Arabic numerals. Here numbers give. These numbers Roman numerals you should write. A 85. Look children, here number 85. So what is the Roman number of 85? L, X, 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 V. Okay, here L represent 50. X represent 10. V represent 5. Now look at 50, 60, 70, 80, 5. So total 85. You got it? Then next number 267. Look, C, L, X, V, I. Here C represent 100, then L represent 50, X represent 10, I represent 7. Okay, here look at 100, then plus 100, 50 plus 10 plus 7. Total 267. You got it this? So next C, D, E, F, G, H. You have to try this. Okay. The next third one. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for each of the following Roman numerals. What is that? Already here gave Roman numerals. We should write the numbers. Okay. Look children, first one. L, X, V, I. Already before teacher told no. L represent what? 50. X represent 10. VII represent 7. So total how much? What is the number? 50 plus 10 plus 7. So 67. Okay. Then next one. C, X, I. Okay. C represent 100. X represent 10. I represent 3. So look, 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3. So 123. You got it this? Same as it. You should do C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Then next Fourth one. Write the numerals for given number names. Here gave number names. These number names you have to look and write the numbers. A, 1 lakh. You write 1 lakh number. Okay. Then B, 25,470. So you write that is the number. Same C, D, E. That also you write it. Okay. Then fifth one. Write the place value and face value of the underlined digits. What is the place value and what is the face value? Face value means which is the number, which digit. That is the face value. Place value, that digit, that number, which place write. Place value ones, tens, hundreds, like that, 1,000, 10,000. So here underline one number, underlined that number, which place, right? That is the place value. Okay. First one, 35,784. So here underlined digit 8. So what is the place value and face value? No. Face value easy, as it is same number, which is the number 8. So face value place we should write 8. Then place value. Place value, look, which place is there? Tens place. So 8 place, tens place. 8 is tens place. So 8 place value is 80. Okay. Then B. B also number 84,376. There also 8. Underlined digit is 8. So face value is 8. Face value is 8. And here look, which is the 8 place value? 6 is ones place, 7 is tens place, 3 is 100 place, 4 is 1,000 place, 8 is 10,000 place. So 80,000 we should write. 8 place value here is 80,000. As it is C, D, E. You have to write. The next, filling the blanks. Sixth one. A. The smallest 5-digit number. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. Then the greatest 6-digit number. Which is the greatest 6-digit number? That is 9,99,999. Okay. Then third one, the smallest whole number. Which is the smallest whole number? Which is the smallest number? That is 0. Okay. Same as it is the greatest 5-digit number, the smallest 6. Next, write each of the following numbers in expanded form. First one, 35,746. Look children, how we will write 35,000 746. 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 6. This is the expanded form. Okay. As it is B and C, you have to try. The next one, write in short form. So here expanded form gave, we should write the numbers. A, 3 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 600 plus 8. How we will write? 3 lakhs 70,000 608. Okay, as it is B, C, D, E. You have to check it. Next, compare the numbers and put the correct symbol less than, greater than or equal in the boxes. Okay, look. Greater than symbol is, okay, less than symbol is, then equal symbol is, okay, A. So here first A, 70,054. This side number 70,504. So here which sign we should use, less than or greater than? We should use here less than. Okay, same as it is, we should use write C, E, D, F. Okay. The next, find the sum of addition. You already studied no addition. So first one, 72,356 plus 4,237 plus 725. Okay. $72,356 plus 4,237 plus 725. You have to do the addition. Okay. As it is B, C, D, E. You have to try it. Then next, find the difference of. That means subtraction. Before we done the addition, now we have to do the subtraction. First one, 70,345 subtract 26,784. Just look. 70,345 subtract 26,784. Okay. From big number to small number we should subtract. Got it? Remaining problems you have to try it, and remaining part we have to discuss next class. Okay, thank you.